What's up, everyone? My name is Frank with Momentum Digital. Today we find ourselves at 16th and Sansom Street in Center City with my new friend Casimira of Joe's Pizza, where she's going to tell us more about this little landmark of Philly on this episode of Small Business Saturday. So I heard this place has a lot of history. Do you mind filling us in a little bit about the history of Joe's Pizza?
So the history of Joe's Pizza is that my husband came from Sicily many, many years ago and was in love with pizza his whole life. And when he came to United States, he started working with his uncle and learned the pizza business, and then came to Philadelphia and bought Joe's Pizza. It's been 30 years.
Still going strong.
Still going strong, yes.
So I heard that there's a rumor that if your name is Joe, you can come here and you'll get a free slice. Is that true?
Definitely. So because we're Joe's Pizza and St. Joseph is our patron saint, we've done it before and we will continue to do it again from time to time. If your name is Joe, you get a free slice. That means Joe, Giuseppe, Josephine, any form of the name Joe, first, middle, or last, gets a free slice, but you have to show ID.
Might have to change my name. So I saw that you guys have a lot of different types of pizza behind the counter. Would you mind telling us what your favorite kind is?
It's hard to pick. It depends on the day, but today I would say my favorite slice or my favorite kind is the fresh tomato, fresh mozzarella, and arugula with some nice fresh olive oil on top.
That does sound nice. Do you mind showing us how that's made, actually?
I would love it.
All right, let's go. And there you have it, folks. Huge shout out for Casimira for telling us more about her family's business. By the way, if your name is Joe, this might be your new spot. Make sure to follow Joe's Pizza on Instagram and Facebook at Joe's Pizza Philly. And we'll see you next week on Small Business Saturday.
Thank you for coming. A presto.